That was so awesome. We got to see from start to finish how they produce our favorite juice on the island. We got to try it at the end as well. So I mean, felt like we were on an episode of how it's made.
So we've been on Moorea for almost 2 months, and ever since we got here we've been drinking this amazing fruit juice that's made locally on the island, and it's called Rotui fruit juice. Just found out there's actually a factory where you can go and see how the juice is made, and it's also a distillery. So we're gonna go check that out now. We don't know much about it, but we're excited to learn, and you're gonna come with us.
You would think like that this is like lighter or something, and it's just totally...
Let me try. I think I am strong. See, you just gotta be strong.
That's why I keep my hand on the brake, because you need to be able to stop it whenever you want to.
You didn't give me this advice before.
I know, because I wanted to see you figure it out. Just gonna put the kickstand down. Oh. Okay, right there, yep. And then when you push down, we're gonna pull the bike backwards.
I've been trying that.
You did it.
If he was as strong as I was, his bike would be out here a lot quicker. Right?
That's right.
Now this is gonna be interesting because we don't even know if it's open. We don't know if you have to have a reservation. We don't know if you can just show up. So we're just gonna show up and hope for the best. Okay, yeah, I think we found it. Rotui! Alright, let's see you put the kickstand on, tough guy.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, dang it. Okay, these plants over here must be part of like their grove. They look plant-like. That's so dumb, but you know what I mean. They look like they're growing fruit. I'm not sure what kind of fruit, but it's fruit. This isn't the coolest view ever from a factory.
I know.
If I had to work at a factory, this is what I would want my view to be. I'm not gonna work at a factory, but if I had to, this is what I want to see every day. We're going to have a self-walk tour of the factory. So this gentleman said, go up the stairs. It's about a 15-minute tour.
Wait a second, let me read you some.
Hi!
The journey is starting here. Let me introduce myself to James and Stephenson's your humble servant. I am a renowned navigator in the lore. The writing lays no blah 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 blah.
You have to do this. Okay. Now we have to grab one of these and put them on our head.
I love this part. Wait, let me watch you. You look so modest.
Thanks.
This does not look like it goes on your head.
Yeah, you have to open it.
Oh, okay, I'm doing this.
Jeez. Nope.
It might be too loud during some of this, so we'll either make it music or we'll just go with the flow, depending on how loud it is.
We have pineapple wine. I've heard of grape wine. Now it's pineapple. That sounds awesome. I would love to try that.
We entered the factory for our self-guided tour, not really knowing what to expect. And at first glance, it looked like we had entered a ghost town. But then, Laura noticed something. That's right, pineapple. And a lot of it. up in disbelief. We watched how this whole process begins.
The kind of pineapple that grows on the island is called Queen Tahiti. And it's only grown here on the island, and it uses the rich volcanic soil, and they put nitrogen into the soil so it can be grown year-round. It's really cool.
After reading up about the fruits and the hard work that goes into making these juices, we wandered on. Not fully sure where we were going because all of the signs were in French. We ended up on the packaging side. This is where the finished products would be strategically placed into boxes for distribution. Our favorite juices being shipped directly out of this factory to a majority of the surrounding islands.
I just learned some really cool stuff. The very first juice was produced in June of 1981, 10 years before I was born, under the name Rotui. Nowadays, about 60 kinds of juices, brandies, and candies. They did that on purpose. That's really cool. They went from one juice to 60. Sky's the limit.
Here's a quick history lesson about this factory in the form of pictures.
Rotui Juice, even though we already know what it tastes like, it's free and they give you liquor. Hello. Stand on the white bar. Thank you.
Do you guys want to taste with alcohol or no alcohol?
With alcohol.
Yeah, with alcohol.
So we are starting with the pineapple wine, 11% alcohol, and it's only pineapple.
I like that way better than normal wine.
Can you?
You're gonna love it.
Whoa.
Isn't that good?
Yeah. I think
Thank
that's
you.
Like adult Capri Sun.
Now I'm gonna make you taste the lemon liqueur, so it's 20% alcohol.
Next up is a lemon liqueur. They're trying to get us skunked up. Good? Yeah, not quite a limoncello. It's good. This is Tahiti Drink. This is the local bestseller, and I've seen this everywhere, and I've definitely been wanting to try it. This is 30% alcohol.
No.
No, 8%.
Oh, I'm just kidding. It is actually alcoholic though. It's 8% alcohol.
It was any alcohol.
Me either. Oh, it's like creamsicle.
It tastes like rum punch or something.
It does. Oh, it's
That's
so
good.
good. Last up, the coconut liqueur.
I think I like the other liqueur better.
Really good.
It's really good, but for a pina colada.
Yeah, I feel like a pina colada because this is a better liqueur. This is a great better. That's so good. And now some fresh mango juice.
Yeah, yeah, and
I love this juice. It's like a real mango, like just eating a mango.
That was super awesome. I felt like we were on an episode of how it's made. It was better because we got to do it by ourselves and walk through and just enjoy it and look around and smell the fresh fruit. It just felt great.
And the people working here are so awesome. They were so nice and really welcoming. So it was a great experience. If you're ever on Moorea, you have to do this. This is so much fun.
Come try this.
Yeah.
all fruit juices are nutritionally equivalent. False. That's because of vitamin. A glass of fruit juice makes you fat. Also false. I love that.
This is where they genetically engineer pineapples in what? I want to talk in this attire as much as possible because I think that we look our best when we're all dressed up in our factory wear.
Michael, you look like Aladdin.
Yeah.
Do something Aladdin would do.
Yeah, Arabian Nights.
That's not Aladdin-y.
Okay. I can show you the world.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I really didn't see our favorite juice though.
Oh, I did. That's it.
No.
Right here.
Right back in the back, sitting there. Rum.
I honestly don't know what this area is for because I don't know French. It's all in French. Get over here. I don't know how to get out of here.
I think we're still going.
Where?
We're still on the tour.
Free juice and liquor. First